Alright, welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Second video we're dropping today. Welcome back and thanks for being here. As always, you guys know the support is very much appreciated. Very much appreciated indeed. You guys are going to want to hit up the likes button for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna go on knock up the likes button for that one. Yeah. This is a big video, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about Khadija Shawfootballer. What more can we say about this great footballer that has not already been said? I mean, where to start? The Ballon d'Or nominee, Khadija Shawfootballer, with yet another accolade. Ladies and gentlemen, Khadija Shawfootballer has been voted the 2023-2024 Barclays Super League Women's Super League Player of the Season. The WSL is arguably the best women's league in the entire world, and she has been voted the best player in a league that is arguably the best league in the world. And again, and see why this is a big deal. It's a very big deal, ladies and gentlemen. A big player, a big award. A big award for a big player. I mean, another incredible, remarkable season for Khadija Shawfootballer. Her career just keeps giving and giving, and she's just racking up the awards. It was only very recently she won the Football Writers Association Women's Footballer of the Year award. So the Footballer and Player of the Year awards and Player of the Season awards are just racking up for Khadija Shawfootballer. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you some stats. And these stats are crazy. They're ridiculous, right? So her WSL stats this season: 18 games, 21 goals, and 3 assists. She's the top scorer in the WSL. Now, ladies and gentlemen, me and you know, me and you know. So when you see a forward have more goals than games, ladies and gentlemen, and a joke thing, man, a serious business, serious business. More goals than games. It's not very often you see that. And a joke business, that a serious business, that, right? So she has basically averaged a goal every 66 minutes. Ridiculous. Averaging a goal every 66 minutes. And she is way out in first place. The second place in the goal scoring rankings has 13 goals in 21 games. So she is way out in first place. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And by the way, for those of you who don't know, Khadija has been injured for a few weeks now. She, has basically missed the last few games of the season. And she's going to miss the very last game of the season as well, because Manchester City, her team, and Chelsea are currently locked in a heated title race that, like the men's league, the EPL, is going down to the final match day. Chelsea lead the standings on goal difference. They're on the same amount of points, but on goal difference. So, hopefully Manchester City can get the business done and can get it over the line for Shawfootballer, that her season can look even more impressive than it already has been looking so far. And hopefully she can win that WSL title. It would be a very big deal for her. And unfortunately, Manchester City are going to have to do it without their top striker. They're gonna have to do it without Khadija Shawfootballer. So, I mean, injury always comes at the wrong time, but it really has come at the wrong time for Khadija and Manchester City. So hopefully, City can get it over the line, and we can see Khadija make a speedy recovery and return to the game as quickly as possible. Hopefully her recovery process goes well. This season, she also became Manchester City's women's all-time record goal scorer. Yet another record broke this season. She's also the first player to score 3 WSL hat-tricks in a calendar year, and she did that in 2023. So she would have done that in this season as well. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. She also scored a big goal for Manchester City women's team as well in a 1-0 victory over Chelsea. That 3 points that City got would have enabled City to be in the position that they are in, where, you know, they could possibly clinch the title on the final day. So, you know, that was a very, very, very big goal from Khadija Bonishaw as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ballon d'Or nominee Khadija Bonishaw at it again. Yet another accolade, another award. Khadija is just world class. She's one of the best women's footballers in the world. You know, one of the best. Think about it. Think about it, ladies and gentlemen. When you think about the best striker in world football right now, who comes to your mind? Right? Who comes to your mind? Is it a Erling Haaland? You know, some might say, you know, a Lautaro Martinez. You know, there are some names that you would throw in there. You know, Kylian Mbappe. You know, some rate Isak as well, the Newcastle striker. Just think about the best footballers in the world, the best centre forwards in the world. Harry Kane in the Bundesliga. Khadija Bonishaw is at that level in the women's game. She's a superstar. And honestly, I don't think Jamaica, I don't think she get the credit she deserves. I'm really and truly not think Jamaica really celebrate her. Always supposed to celebrate her. It was a damn disgrace that the sportsman and sportswoman of the year awards for last year, and Bonishaw was not even nominated for the women's award. And all she said not hurt her, it must hurt her. Must hurt her. That's crazy, man. But we need to celebrate Khadija Bonishaw and give her more props, because what she's doing is just unprecedented and it's ridiculous, man. One of the best women's footballers in the world. You're talking about a Ballon d'Or nominee. Crazy. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. Congratulations to Khadija on her impressive season. You know, and hopefully she can return from injury and just pick up where she left off, and hopefully Manchester City women's team can bring home the title for Khadija. Knock up the likes button, subscribe and share. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about Khadija Bonishaw and her impressive season. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.